Girls, do you want to get toned arms but you have no idea where to start? Well, this beginner's workout is going to get you feeling strong in no time. Let's get going. Today's video is actually sponsored by Amazon. I am a huge fan of Amazon. There isn't a day goes by where I'm on that website, I'm checking out what's new, what's going on, and it's the holiday season. And with Amazon Active Lifestyle Guide, there is no reason that you can't get the perfect gift for someone this holiday season. And the website makes it super easy. You can categorize it and how much you want to spend. 25 bucks, 50, 100, 250, really just depends on how much you like the person. And this is all about getting people to move and being active. It's balance. Life is balance. You want to work hard, you want to play hard. And I got a couple of surprises of things that I took from the Active Lifestyle Guide, which I'll be sharing with you a little bit later. But first up, you know I love my workout gear, and you guys are always asking where it's from. Boom, this is Amazon. And Amazon Prime even has free shipping, so no excuse not to get something new for the holidays. I got a lovely pair of new workout leggings from New Balance. This is from Adidas. All the links are gonna be below, and we're gonna be doing an arm workout today, and we're gonna be using some weights. And if you're like, hey Rebecca, I don't have any weights, guess what? Tomorrow with Amazon Basics weights, they can be delivered to your door. So no excuses how you can't feel an extra burn for this workout today. So all of the links are gonna be below. I'm gonna bring you a couple of surprises of some extra things that I got. You're not gonna wanna miss this because you are gonna love, it's gonna be hilarious. I'm so excited to show you. But for now, these are my workout outfit I'm in today. We got some weights and we're gonna get started with today's 10-minute workout and feel the burn. Let's do this. All right, girls, so we got the time on the clock, 10-minute countdown to get those toned arms. We're gonna start off with arms out to the side. So what I want you to do here is have your feet a little bit wider than hip width distance apart. I'm gonna talk you through this nice and slow. Have a slight bend in your knee, tuck your hips underneath because we wanna make sure that our core is nice and tight. You're gonna take your arms out to the side and we're just gonna gently do little arm circles going back just to wake everything up. That's it, so small arm circles going backwards, and then let's take small arm circles going forwards. So this is gonna be our beginner's workout. And even if you have done my arm workouts before and you just need to revisit to get that form right, this is what I'm gonna be helping you with today. Okay, let's take arm circles going back. You should start to feel a little bit of that burn. Release those shoulders away from your ears. Give me a nice little smile. You're excited about this. We're gonna do great. Extend those arms nice and long. And again, let's take it forward. That's it. You've got 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And release those arms down. Okay, a little bit of a nice warm up. We're gonna grab hold of our weights. I'm gonna start with 3 pounds. 3 pounds is great just to get started with. I'm gonna do bicep curls. We're gonna alternate. So you're gonna bring your feet a little bit wider than the hip width distance apart. Bend your knees, tuck your hips underneath. Those weights right out in front of you. So your palms are facing up to the sky. Grab hold of those weights. Bring those elbows in towards the waist, and one at a time, you're gonna bring it up to that shoulder and take it nice and slow all the way down. So it comes up to the top and slow to that right angle. That's it, nice and easy. And when you're doing workouts, you gotta be making sure that you are using using the right weights for you. So starting off with 3 pounds is great. And this is why this kit from Amazon is so awesome, because it's gonna guide you. You've got 3 pounds, takes it to 5 pounds, and then 8 pounds. And you can have this delivered tomorrow. No excuses. Okay, give me 4 more. That's it, all the way up. Bring it down. You got this. Bring those shoulders away from those ears and bring it all the way up to the top. Okay, release those weights. You're gonna put those back on your little stand here. It's perfect. You're gonna come all the way down to the ground. You're gonna have your hands directly underneath your shoulders. We're gonna lean a little bit further forward, bring those knees onto the ground, lift your legs up. I don't want you to cross them over, and you're just gonna take it down here and then shoot all the way up to the top. And squeeze and up. So we're not gonna bring it all the way down today. We're gonna take it to halfway, pull those abs in, and then push down in your hands and send it all the way back. Everybody's always asking me, where do you get your workout clothes from? And honestly, it's from all over. I love this set. Adidas, this bra is super comfortable, breathable, especially when you're doing workouts. You need to make sure that you are comfortable and feeling great. So another great gift that you can give somebody for the holiday season. Right, let's take 2 more here. Lift all the way up and 1 more all the way down and come up to the top. Okay, release down, shake out those arms. Let's just stretch it out for a second. So taking 1 arm across the body, hold gently, very gently onto that elbow and take it all the way across. Feel that stretch. And breathe in. And as you exhale, you just bring that arm a little bit closer towards you. Feel that stretch all throughout your shoulder. And release down. Let's take it over to the other side. Breathe in. And as you exhale, smile and bring that little arm closer towards you. One more time. Inhale and exhale. Okay, release down. Make sure that you check out my extra items that I got from Amazon. Oh my goodness, you're gonna laugh like crazy. This is gonna be super cool. Woohoo! Check this out. This is my hoverboard that I got from the Amazon Active Lifestyle Guide, and it's got Bluetooth speakers. And I want to show you what I got my family for the holidays from the Amazon Active Lifestyle Gift Guide. This is the super cool ping pong table. Oh yes, it is easy to put up. It's on wheels so you can convert it anywhere in your house. It's so much fun, and even Alfie loves to play. Right, we're going to grab the second heaviest weights now. So we're going to work through this set. And all we're going to do is we're going to take it all the way up to the standing, and we're going to go to hammer curls. So bringing your feet about hip width distance apart, knees bent, you're going to grab hold of your weights, and you're going to have your palms facing towards you. You squeeze your elbows in towards your waist, lift all the way up, and then take all the way down to the ground. So this is a hammer curl. As like the bicep curl was this way, now we're bringing those palms facing, releasing those shoulders away from the ears, bring all the way up to the top and down. That's it. So here we're going to tuck our hips underneath, pull your belly button in towards your spine, and release your ribs down, okay? So we're not standing like this. Super important that we're tucked under here. Everything is nice and controlled, and all the way down. We're going to take it nice and slow. No need to rush. All the way here and bring down. You're doing so good. Let's get that form right so then you can increase those weights, bring it all the way up to the top, and release down to the ground. You're doing this. We're working those legs, we're working those arms, those triceps, even having that tension in your quads and having your core nice and tight. You're working your abs too. Let's give me 5 more here. All the way down to touch your knees, up to those shoulders. 4, breathe. 3, 2, and 1. Great job. Okay, we're going to keep these weights. We're going to increase. We've gone from our 3 pounds. We've got our 5 pounds now. And all we're going to do is we're going to bring a bicep curl in, and then we're going to extend over the top of our head and press up to the sky. So taking your weights, bringing it back here to the center, all the way down. So bicep curl up to your shoulders. Take your elbows out to the side. Hold them right here in those right angles, and then push nice and high up to the sky. Again, tuck your hips underneath, pull your ribs down, bring it back to the center, and all the way down. Now, if you want to go back to your 3 pounds, you can, no problem. Let's get that form right. Elbows out to the side, and extend all the way up to the sky, and bring it all the way back down. Bring those elbows in, and take it down. You got this. Keep on moving. Breathe in. Elbows out to the side. And then push up to the top. Stay nice and strong. Still making sure that your abs are tucked in. Bring it back here, center, and down we go. Give me 2 more here. So lift up, elbows out to the side, and then push nice and strong up to the sky, and release down. Give me 1 more. Take it all the way down, and extend. That's it. You got this. Keep staying nice and strong. Working on that form. We're taking everything nice and slow and controlled. Bring it back, and then come all the way down. Nice. You start to feel that burn that last time. Okay, we're going to put those weights back down. We're going to shake out those arms. We're going to come to the center of our mat. You're going to have your feet a little bit wider than hip width distance apart. And we're going to go into some front punches. So just pivot from side to side. That's it. Little bit of cardio here. Woo, pull those abs in, twisting your body, and then punch it away. You got this. Keep on going, nice and strong. So just breathe in and exhale. This is the first time you're doing an arm workout. Maybe it's like a revisit, and you want to really take it across the body just a little bit so that we're working that core at the same time. You guys are doing great. Woo! We have just got 1 more exercise after this. Yes, and then you have completed the 10-minute beginner arms workout. This is a great video to come and just check out, revisit if your form is correct. Take it across. Give me 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, release those arms down. We're going to the last exercise, and we're going to pick up one of the heaviest weights. See, this thing is so useful. This thing is so useful, these amazing weights. Okay, I love this little set. We're going to grab hold of the weight. We're going to put it over the top of our head, and we're going to work our triceps. So our triceps is this area under our arm here. So grab hold of your weight like this, okay? So you're gonna take your hands, take it around your weight, you're gonna put it over the top of your head. So it's just like so. And all you're gonna do is you're gonna dip down, and then you're gonna extend your arms all the way up to the top. So down and extend, nice and slowly. I'm having my feet hip-width distance apart. Remember, tucking those hips underneath, grab hold of that weight, and extend all the way up to the top. Woo, you're looking so good. Yes, so workout clothes, most important part of a workout, right? How you look and feel. So get something that's comfy. You know, I've now put this outfit to the test. Feels amazing, it's breathable, nothing's digging into me. And again, all of the links for my items that I'm wearing right now are below. So extend those arms up to the sky, take it all the way down, and inhale and exhale. So important when you're doing a workout to breathe. It's crazy. We often forget to breathe when we do a workout. That's normal, but let's give me 2 more here. Those arms are starting to burn. Release down and extend up. And let's do 5 more here, because guess what? I've got a surprise for you. We have got another video coming that is going to be the bonus to this workout. So if you're like, hey, this was easy, I got through this, no problem, then check out, I'll put a video right here to my right or to my left, and you'll be able to get that access right now. So give me 1 more, extend all the way down. Yes, check out that bonus video. You guys just got started. You know how to do these workouts. It's amazing. You're gonna feel so much stronger. So thank you for joining me on today's workout. Okay, we're gonna come up here, and really important here that we are using our arms, okay, and we're not pushing up and down.